Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download wallpapers from Steam Workshop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over Community, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Workshop. This will take you to Steam's Workshop Hub, where you can browse user-created content for various games and applications. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Wallpaper Engine. Steam will show you some suggestions as you type, so go ahead and click on Wallpaper Engine from the suggested results. This will filter the workshop to show only wallpapers compatible with Wallpaper Engine, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. You'll now see a variety of wallpapers to browse through. If you want to narrow down your search, take a look at the left panel where you'll find different filter options. Click on your preferred filter from the list to customize your browsing experience. These filters help you sort by popularity, recency, or specific categories depending on what style of wallpaper you're after. Once you've found a wallpaper that catches your eye, click on it to open its detailed page. Then simply click subscribe. This tells Steam that you want this wallpaper, and Steam will automatically download it for you in the background. The wallpaper will be ready to use once the download completes. However, in order to actually enable and use these wallpapers, you must first purchase Wallpaper Engine from the Steam store. Here's how to do that. Head back to the upper left corner, hover your mouse over Community again, and select Workshop. In the search bar on the right side, type Wallpaper Engine and select it from the suggestions just like before. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see an option that says Store Page. Click on it to be taken to the official Wallpaper Engine store listing. Once you're on the store page, click Add to Cart. After adding it to your cart, click View My Cart to review your purchase. On the cart page, click Continue to Payment to proceed with your order. You'll then need to select your payment method by clicking the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred payment option, then enter your payment details in the fields provided. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Continue to finalize your purchase. After you've successfully purchased Wallpaper Engine, you can enable any wallpaper you've subscribed to directly within the Wallpaper Engine application. The wallpapers you downloaded earlier will be waiting for you there, ready to bring your desktop to life. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.